Hey guys, welcome back to Build and Roll. If your Jeep won't let you change settings through the OBD, this is exactly what you need. This is the SGW bypass cable. Without it, apps like JScan will block most functions. Even something simple like changing tire size will fail. The security gateway module sits behind the lower dash panel. So first we need to remove the trim to access the wiring. This is the security gateway module, and these are the connectors we need to unplug. The bypass cable installs inline between the factory connectors. Just plug both ends in and connect your OBD reader. No cutting and no permanent modifications required. Now the OBD system is fully unlocked. JScan can access all modules, read data, clear faults, and change vehicle settings. Once everything is working, reinstall the panel, and you're ready to go. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Build and Roll. More builds and tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.